My name is Abby Myers. I'm a senior biochemistry major. The work that we're doing right now is in relation to Alzheimer's disease and other types of dementia. So we're looking at treatments with astrocytes, which are certain brain cells, and we're treating those with different proteins to see how they react in the Alzheimer's brain in hopes of sort of translating that to treatment for Alzheimer's disease or other types of dementia.
My name is Shalin Singh. I'm a sophomore at the University of Hartford studying computer science. The internship that I worked at was called SciLife. They use artificial intelligence to predict water distribution. That internship gave me a lot of experience in working in a very fast-paced, agile environment. The diversity of classes has really prepared me just in critical thinking in general, whether it be to what I do after school or my job or just in life in general. It kind of taught me how to pique my interest in something that I haven't done before.
Every student should have the opportunity to do these experiences because they're so powerful and because they make such a difference in students' career prospects and graduate school prospects.
I don't think that I would have been able to get into these great schools that I have, and I wouldn't have had the options if I wouldn't have been able to do this undergraduate research. So it played a huge role in my future.
I would say that you are going to get opportunities here that you never imagined. You are going to grow and develop and become a person you never imagined. And we are here to help you do that.